Right. Help a lady with a blown out tire last night. And decided, you know what? I should buy an air pump because I don't have one in the car. Found this one. This is Amazon. $28. Man, everything's so expensive nowadays. Before, like for $15, I get a big air inflator. Now it's a tiny one. So let's see. This is AstroAI? AstroAI? Portable air pump. Model is CZK3631, 35 liter per minute. But this is kind of small. Yeah, so in the package, it's including a 12-volt tie inflator, user manual, air nozzle cones, needle valve adapter, press tab to straighter adapter, extension hose coupling, replacement fuse. This is the blue one. It's a blue LED flashlight, smart tie inflator, backlit LCD digital display. So this is the model, DC 12 volt, maximum amp 15 amp, power 120 watt, cylinder diameter 22 millimeter, maximum working pressure 100 psi. Display unit, a PSI or kPascal, bar, kg/centimeter square. Continuous operating time, 15 minutes maximum. This is the important part. I noticed some people say something about it used for like a few times and die. It says right here, continuous operating time, 15 minutes maximum. This means this thing can only run for 15 minutes and then you have to get, because it's a motor. If you leave it running for so long, it would die. Power cable length is 9.84 feet. It's about 3 meters. Like every inflator, 15 minutes. So that's the box. Oh God, it's so tiny. It's so like that. Oh, it's the extension. Why do we need the extension? It's dumb. Alright. So let's. Oh, they give you an extra fuse. Oh, they got a fuse. That's why it's when it's very much. It's just by probably blowing the fuse. If the fuse dies, you can't start it. That's right. On your manual. I think I overpaid for this a little bit. I think this thing was on sale for like $16. Now I paid $28. But the thing with Amazon, if it dropped down in price, you could send an email to customer service and ask them for a price adjustment. I don't think they do it, but sometimes they will. They used to do it, but now they don't anymore. Oh, this one have 2-year limited warranty. If it die, just go to Amazon and then contact the manufacturer. So all this screw here probably don't need. It's probably inflating like a mattress or something. This one probably your soccer ball, basketball, and all that. This one. Can you just screw this on? No, I just. Huh. It's a connector here. You like this one better. Put it on, press. Put it on, press. So this is like the extension. So this is the cord you plug in your cigarette lighters. Most of the complaint on Amazon is about this cord right here. This looks kind of weak. It is kind of weak. Flimsy. Yeah. Oh, apparently there's a fuse in here. So if for some reason you plug it in and it's not working, probably because the fuse was blown. Unscrew the nut on a cigarette lighter. Is this one right here? To replace the 15 amp fuse tube if necessary. They show you the diagram right here. So that's why. Please make sure to start your vehicle first before plugging the pump in cigarette lighter. Please press hard for a better connection. And this material looks cheap. Yeah, this one definitely reinforces something. Keep this in place. And this is the pump. Can this move? No, this is it. I got a blue version. So the bottom, it's just a more small pump. Got on an off button. Oh no, I bought like an engraver on Amazon before. These little button right here, they will break over time for sure. You flipping on and off like that, it will break sooner or later. LED lights here. Okay, got the light. You pick it up, extensions, the cord. Oh man, this looks flimsy. The power cord looks very flimsy. So if you pull it hard, this thing gonna come right off. Yeah, this looks cheap. Man, everything's expensive and quality is horrible. But okay, I'm gonna start bringing this to work, see how many flat tires can help change. Okay, it's right here. There's like a screen, LCD screen, where you can adjust the pressure, PSI. If you want to turn the light over here on, you press the button right here, it's LED. Let's see on the side. Protective film on the screen prevents screen from scratching, and you can remove if you don't need it. It's fine. I could see it. Just leave it be. And right here, it had a warning right on the size of the machine. Say, warning, please allow the pump to cool down for at least 10 minutes after 15 minutes of continuous use. So if you use it 15 plus minutes and you don't let it cool down, the motor is going to burn, and that's how it will die. This is a small 15 minutes. I guess that's it. 15 minutes. If you have like completely flat tires, that's going to be a pain. But if you have like maybe just low, maybe drop like a few PSI, and you can pump it up to the recommended level, it's fine. But honestly, I don't think this pump can actually pump up 4 flat tires at the same time. If the limit is 15 minutes of continuous use. 15 minutes of continuous use and 10 minutes of cool down. Well, this is it. Man, this thing normally, I saw it on sale for like $16, but when you kind of need it, you don't have to buy the bullets, I guess. So $28 with tax, like $29. This is it. AstroAI tire inflator. So it had all the accessory, the attachment, power cord. Look very flimsy though. Be careful with that. And some of the adapter and the manual. Alright, that's it. I'm gonna put it in my car and start using it. Alright.